Okay, done. So this is a presentation on the digital marketing course, which is for 15 days. And so this course is for you if you finished your 12th or graduation and still you're what's on the next step you're going to take in terms of your professional career, or you want consistent inquiries, or you have been seeing the jobs of 10K, 15K, and you applied for it, and still you get rejected every single time. Or let's say you're a business owner who has a website, or you're starting out from scratch, or you're not sure like what this digital marketing is, or you want clarity on before even hiring an agency. So yeah, this course is, if you're into any of these categories, then yeah, this course is for you. So, or if you're serious about getting leads, if you have a business and if you're serious about getting leads, yeah, this course is also for you. This course is built from real results. Students who have landed like 40K plus jobs, and freelancers are also have scaled to 1 lakh per month with this course. And so these are the common mistakes which you have been already making, but you just don't want to accept it. So yeah. So let's go one by one. Paying for ads, SEO agency without really understanding what's being done, or spending money on clicks, traffic that don't even convert, or you're logged into long contracts or monthly retainers without you understanding like what an agency is doing, or things like that, or you're constantly chasing for some leads, specific leads, but you haven't even understood like whether your offer is perfectly product fit and market fit, those kinds of things, or you're like going haywire for your metrics. You don't have idea what each metric means, or you are measuring traffic impression instead of working on conversions. And so what actually works and how to rectify those mistakes. So yeah, you should understand how each part of marketing actually works, and you should know the whole funnel of where the inquiry is being lead captured and where it is getting converted till that point. And you should also know how Google SEO meta ads work, and what does a landing page is, and what is conversion rate optimization is, and what is really required, and what is the jargon behind it. So you need to know how to make the difference behind it. So yeah, what actually this course gives you. So you'll get clear understanding on what each and every module of digital marketing is. And you will have a simple framework to start with for the next 15 days. So what are we going to do in this course? So yeah, these are the deliverables which you are going to achieve in this 15 days. So we'll be able to make a landing page using WordPress, and you'll also be posting 10 blogs and 2 videos, which is recorded by you. And you will run one meta ad campaign and a Google ad campaign, and you will also have posters for your own brand. So this is something which you are going to achieve. So yeah, right now you have a choice. You can keep guessing, and if you don't have a real system, then this is what is going to happen. Like you're not sure like what is going to bear, what is connected with what, and or if the client asks SEO report, what to give, and if there is random tactics and agencies are following, so I'll also follow it, and you keep also burning money with Google Ads and Meta Ads. Or instead, you could use my 15 days free framework, and you could have something like where if a client asks your SEO report, it's just in the hand, and you know all things sort out. Like if the lead is captured through this way, then how much time will it take to convert, and you can calculate your CAC is basically like customer acquisition cost. So yeah, by end of this course, you'll literally have a portfolio that would get you hired at any agencies. And initially the course fees is around 1,000 rupees, and I'll keep increasing it based on the results, or the based on the values I add to the course. So this course is also recorded one, so every module will be recorded and given to you initially, and we'll also have 2 calls with me so that I understand what is your stand in terms of this course. So thank you for hearing this module. So I'm very excited to see inside the course. Yeah, see you then.